Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. In 1875, Landsteiner reported that when human blood or human received a blood transfusion from animals, the foreign blood or the animal blood was broken down in the human and it formed clumps and lot of hemoglobin was released. Landsteiner in 1900 thought that it could happen between two different humans also because he observed that some blood transfusions between humans are very successful, whereas some turned out to be very lethal. He wanted to prove this by performing a simple experiment. He was working at Vienna then, so he collected the blood from all his staff and started mixing it up. When he took one blood sample and mixed it with blood sample from another individual, nothing happened. It mixed well and it looked good. But when he took blood sample from one individual and mixed it with some other stuff, he realized that it did not mix well and it formed clumps. If you can see the clumps at the bottom. It formed clumps. By performing this experiment, Landsteiner reported that there could be two blood types, one of type A and one of type B. If you mix type A blood with some more type A, it did not cause any reaction. They mixed well. But if you mix type A with type B or type B with type A, it produced adverse reactions like clumping. And then this clumping led to the breaking down of RBCs, the foreign. If type B is mixed with type A person recognizes type B blood as foreign. And immediately type A person reacts, his immunity or her immunity reacts against the RBCs or blood received from type B individual, and then they break it down. Once all these RBCs are broken down, they clump in the blood vessels and they cause agglutination and finally death. This way, Landsteiner identified that different individuals are made up of different types of blood, and before transfusing blood, it is important to make sure that A individual received blood from only A type people and B individual received blood from only B type people. This was a real life-saving experiment. Thank you.